Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to send videos on Discord PC. Alright, first of all, we are searching for the website Imgur and we go to that website right here and then we click on new post. Now then from here we click on choose photo video, go to downloads, and I want to send a 4K live wallpaper BMW to someone. Now we upload it, you can choose no, remove the audio, or yes, keep the audio, what you like. Now it's uploading just right here, so we need to wait for a little bit. It's optimizing, and right here you can see the video. Now right now I want to send this to someone, so we click here on copy link, or you can click here on grab link. Now we go to our Discord. So it's opening. Right here it is. And right now if I go to, let's say, my own Discord or something, and I place it here, Ctrl V, and do enter, you see that we just sent the video in the chat, and this is exactly how this works. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.